In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Instagram music problem on stories, reels, and posts. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, you might be trying to post something on Instagram, whether it's a story or a post, but you might find that there's like certain artists that you can't find. So this is what you have to do. The first thing you want to do is open up Instagram. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about first. So obviously, let's say you want to post something and let's say I take this picture right here and then I want to go over to music and then let's just type in something like Drake. So right now he's coming up for me, right? However, if he is not coming up for you on your phone or your Instagram account, or if it's like, you have multiple accounts and it's not coming up for you on one of them, this is what you have to do. You'd have to use a VPN or anything like that. The first thing you want to do is go over to the bottom right where it has your profile. Once you click on your profile, you're going to see your profile. But at the top right, you're going to see those three little lines. So you want to press that, which is going to bring you to your settings page. And all you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to keep scrolling until you find account type and tools. So once you press that, if you are currently a professional account, you want to switch back to a personal account. The reason your music, certain artists aren't showing on your Instagram is because you might be a professional account, and with a professional account you're limited to what artists' music you can use in your stories or any posts like that, just because of copyright infringement. So if you're a professional account, you just got to switch back to a personal account, and then you'll be able to go back to post something and all the music is going to be there.